All right, number 3 from the ACT set of problems here. Everything is in relation to t, and we want to figure out which one has the greatest value. So at first glance, like you might think it'd be w because you multiplying w by the biggest number. But if we think of this, maybe just pick like 10 for t or some number like this, right? So all of these things, when we multiply them, equal 10, but this is a really small amount, right? This 0.23. That means z needs to be the biggest number to make 10 because it's being multiplied by the smallest value, right? So in order to make 10, this is going to need to be the biggest value, where here w is actually going to be the smallest because we're multiplying this number and getting to 10, and we don't need as big a number here because we've already got a bigger number to start with, right? So it ends up being z is for sure going to be the greatest between w, x, y, and z.